In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import cookies into Adspower. First, launch Adspower and log in to your workspace. Make sure you're on the latest version, since the interface labels can shift slightly between updates. Once you're in, you're ready to set up or modify a browser profile where the cookies will live. From the dashboard, either create a new profile or open an existing one to edit. Creating a new one is handy if you want a clean slate. Editing is great when you already have a profile with the right environment or notes configured. Either way, you'll land in the profile settings screen. Inside the profile settings, look for the cookies input area. You'll typically find it under the General section, alongside account-related fields. This is the dedicated place where Adspower expects your cookie data, so you don't need to paste it anywhere else. Now paste your cookie text into that field. Adspower accepts multiple formats, including JSON exports, the classic Netscape format, and simple name-value pairs. If your cookies came from a tool or extension, use them as is, as long as they match one of these formats. Keep the structure intact. Extra spaces, missing brackets, or broken lines can cause the import to fail. Some setups also provide a merge cookies option. Use merge when you want to keep any cookies already stored in the profile and add new ones on top, which is useful for extending a session or adding missing entries without wiping the rest. For context, JSON imports usually come from developer tools or dedicated exporters and include attributes like domain, path, expiration, HTTP only, and secure. Netscape format is line-based and widely used for bulk lists. Name value is the simplest, best for quick additions. Whichever you use, keep domains aligned with the sites you plan to open in that profile, and avoid mixing unrelated accounts in the same profile to prevent conflicts. When you're satisfied, click Save. This commits the cookies to the profile. Next, open the browser profile. On launch, Adspower injects those cookies, so the sites tied to them should recognize the session immediately. If the cookies are valid and unexpired, you might find yourself already logged into the corresponding account without any additional steps. If something doesn't load as expected, double-check the format you pasted and confirm you included the full cookie set. Expired or domain mismatched cookies won't restore a session. In that case, obtain a fresh export and try again in the same cookies field. Once everything looks good, you're done. Your Adspower profile now runs with the imported cookies, letting you pick up exactly where that browsing session left off.